Hello guys, good morning. For today's video guys is unboxing guys. Unboxing tayo guys dahil may dumating sa akin parcel guys. Galing GNT guys. Ito guys. Dalian lang natin guys kasi may hawak ako ngayon guys. Ito. At may libre na cream silk guys. Ito na guys. Dumating na yung ano ko, yung Gory Day and Night Whitening Soft. Whitening Soft. Dalawa guys. Dalawang whitening soft guys. Tingnan ko muna to. Na guys, with lycopene. Sobrang bango siya guys. Whitening soft white with lycopene avocado. Yan na guys. Maraming salamat sa seller nito kasi okay talaga ang ang deliver at 5 days lang guys, 5 days and 7 days dito na sa bahay namin. Bango talaga. Dalawang sabon at saka yung cream silk. Maraming salamat. God bless to all. Ilagay ko lang sa link guys ang kung saan ko to binili guys. Maraming salamat.